How to fix any calls problem. So you might be in the position where you are not being able to receive the call or make the call to any of the person. In this case, what you want to do is first of all head over to your settings of a device. Move into network and internet. Head over to internet. First of all, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Once you are done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way down and move into system. Head over to system update. So right here, if any of the updates is available, then you need to update it. Once you are on your updated version, the next thing you want to do is to restart your device. Well, after restarting your device, if you're still facing the issue, then what else you can do is simply take off the SIM card from your device and then insert it again. Once it has been done, it will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on your device. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix any calls problem. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.